Okay, so this week we get more into working with arrays, and arrays are more specific items, more complex data structures, I guess would be the easiest way to put it. Now, when dealing with the array in this particular section, it asks you, how would you go about finding the capital for New York, assuming that all the states have been properly saved. So what you do, I'm not going to tell you exactly what you do, but the first option is to find a way to go through your array, and I might say within the last week we've learned a way to kind of go through our arrays, until you reach the point at which the state is what you want. So you're going to have to compare the state that the user has entered in, which is New York, to the state that's stored in your array. Once those two are equal, then you have to figure out how to get the capital city or the capital of that particular state. Depending upon how you store the data, it could be a matter of looking where, well, okay, I'm trying not to give away too much here. But in each and every case, you need to reference where the state is and let where the state is guide where the capital is. So that's the best I can do for you at this point in time. We learned one method in Unit 3 that will help out significantly. And see my micro lecture that will probably help out a little bit more. Plus, you need to do some sort of comparison between what you're looking for. And I hope that gives you enough to kind of look through and work with it. So thank you very much for your time. Welcome to Unit 4. We're getting closer. Have a good day.